Some paycheck advance apps can send money in under 10 minutes if your bank supports instant transfers. That's faster than most overdraft protection and way cheaper than payday loans. By the end of this, you'll know 7 apps that can get you money before payday, who they're best for, and what to watch before using them. Here's the direct answer. These apps work by advancing part of your upcoming paycheck based on income history, not your credit score. First is Earnin. Earnin is one of the biggest names here. It connects to your payroll and lets you access wages you've already earned. If you have a fixed schedule and direct deposit, it's one of the cleanest options. Next is Dave. Dave is popular because setup is simple and it's beginner-friendly. It works well for small emergency gaps like gas, groceries, or utility bills. Third is Bridget. Bridget focuses on avoiding overdrafts. It watches your account balance and can send in advance automatically if it predicts you're about to go negative. Now for the flexible options. Moneyline offers Instacash, which works even for some gig workers and users with irregular income. That makes it more flexible than apps tied strictly to payroll. Liberty is another strong option. It tracks spending patterns and income, then offers advances based on account behavior. Good if you want budgeting tools in the same app. Empower works well for part-time workers, freelancers, and side hustlers. It looks at cash flow instead of only paycheck schedules. And Eclio is one of the easiest for smaller advances. The approval process is usually faster, but limits can start lower for new users. Here's what matters before choosing. Check how fast the transfer is. Standard transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers often cost extra. Check if the app requires direct deposit. Earnin and Bridget usually do. Moneyline and Empower can be more flexible. And check for subscription fees. Some apps don't charge interest but still charge monthly access fees. Quick recap. Earnin is strong for steady jobs. Dave is simple and fast. Bridget helps avoid overdrafts. Moneyline and Empower are better for mixed income. Albert adds budgeting. Clio is easiest for smaller amounts. The smart next step is to compare your income type with the app's approval system before signing up. If this helped you figure out your best option faster, like the video and subscribe for more app breakdowns.